Open Google Classroom. Find your class. Open the gallery assignment. Click the attached slides deck at the bottom. Open Google Slides in the right-hand corner. Turn the screen to find an empty slide. Hit the plus sign at the top of the screen. Hit Image, hit Camera. Take the picture. Hit Use Photo. Resize if needed. Add your name in the text box. Answer the prompts in the other text box.
When you're happy with what you have written, click the check sign in the left-hand corner.
Go back to Google Classroom. Find your class. Find the gallery assignment. Click Your Work. Click Mark as Done. Click Mark as Done. And you're finished.